Welcome to the mix, and here on the mix we have Marcia as she responds to Misty via her platform, and this is what she said. Also, there's a post of the amount of money that was sent back, and it's very intense. Take a look. After looking at these pictures, go ahead and watch the video that follows. Also, remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.
You call me Cassie. That is to show you how you is. In your video, you call me Cassie, you know. In your video, that's I'm take off my glass. You call me Cassie in your video, you know. So at this year, this the program, you know. Me never go as far and describe your body yet on social media. And believe me, I can. But you make a statement how you say the people them say, oh, me bad man, I'm a wicked. I say, oh, not because she have Cassie. So how does Cassie come in a hobby argument or whatever? You diss the program. But me make sleeping dogs lie. The word of God says, how will I say again? What is it to profit a man? To gain the world and lose his soul. Show me in a fire, but me never get burned. Driver, come out of my way. Just come out of my way. No, you can't sit down so. Me want wheel and turn. Get away. I don't like that. I've been in Jamaica for 2 weeks. And before I left to go take my corona test, 24 hours before, I have not come to your house. I was in my hotel and I called you to tell you goodbye because you and I have been speaking on telephone during the time in Jamaica, saying hello and whatever. You said to me, say, Marcia, I am home doing my makeup. I am doing my makeup. Pass through and come check me. Me said to you, say, me no really want to come here, come check it because me know them all crucify me. You said, come check your man. Me come down there, me see you. We talk a brief. Your hypocrite, so-called friend them, take the pictures, them laugh off of me and whatever, and that was it. Me no big friend. I want you with me, I don't big friend. I've been to Jamaica many times and I passed by your house with a willing heart. Me stop by your house many times to say hello to you with a willing heart. Not to throw hobby upon you and not to bite. But based on your conversation today, I don't say nothing wrong. Based on your conversation that you have today, it is a proof to me that you are agreeing to what the man say.